Alright, 7.1, number 25, you're supposed to solve the triangle. You're given angle A, side C, and A. So let me draw it here. So I've got angle A, side A is 4.8. I'll call that B and call this one C. So this is 6.35 and this is 14.8. So we have a side-side angle scenario, so we might have zero triangles, one triangle, or two triangles. We'll start by finding out what angle C might be. So law of sines, sine of 14.8 over 4.8 equals the sine of C over 6.35. So 6.35 times the sine of 14.8 divided by 4.8. So we know at least one triangle exists because this is in the domain of inverse sine. So we can do the inverse sine of it. And we get 19.75. So C is about 19.75. The other option for C would be 180 minus that. Oops. 180 minus 19.75 gives us 160.25. So C might also be 160.25, and that is allowed in this triangle because 160 and 14.8 is still not more than 180 degrees. So we have a two triangle scenario. So I'm going to draw a squiggle and I'll do red for the left one, so I know angle B, angle C, and side B is what we're looking for. On this side, angle B, angle C, and side B over here. So I know my first angle C was 19.75. My other angle C is 160.25. So we can finish this problem on the left here. I know angle A is 14.8 no matter what. So 14.8 plus 19.75 leaves 145.45. And then side B can be found by finding the sine of B over B equals the sine of 14.8 over 4.8. So we can find side B there. 4.8 times the sine of 145.45 divided by the sine of 14.8, 10.65. If angle C is 160.25 plus 14.8, that doesn't leave much. Leaves an angle of 4.95.
How did you get that?
How did I get 4.95?
Yeah.
So, do you know how I got 160.25?
Yeah, we got 160.2, but we didn't know how to get that.
So, A is the only other angle, so we just do that plus C, and what do you have left over to get to 180? So it'd be 4.95.
Oh.
So just
So
go
A
back.
plus little a is equal to...
No, angle A
Yeah.
is given. That's always going to be the case.
Okay.
Angle C is 160.25. So how much is left over for the third angle? If angle C is 160.25, how big does angle B have to be? 180 minus those two.
Oh. Okay.
And then the last thing we have to do is find side B. So sine of 4.95 over B equals the sine of 14.8 over 4.8. So 4.8 times the sine of 4.95 divided by the sine of 14.8. So B is a little guy, 1.62.